We just took in a 2012 Jayco Greyhawk 31 SS. It's a single slide Class C that's 31 foot long. It's only got 25,000 miles. Let's go give it a tour. Well, hello and welcome back to another RV walkthrough. As always, my name's Taylor Quayle. We're here at Padada RV Center in Tucson, Arizona. And today we get a look at a 2012 Jayco Greyhawk 31 SS floor plan. It's got a single slide out. It's on the E450 chassis with the V10 Triton, and it's got just under 25,000 miles. So not very used except for the furniture. We're going to give it a full exterior and interior look and see what this bad boy has to offer. We're going to start up front, check some tires. We got a date code of 4020, so they're not even 4 years old yet. They did just hit 3. It does have a diamond shield up front, which was one of the options. You can hopefully see it on the video. It's got a little bit of discoloration, but that'll help protect the front against rock chips. Not dents though, but rock chips. All right, let's continue on. We got a pretty decent size awning. It is an electric awning, comes out with the push of a button. Looks to be 12, maybe 14 foot. We'll double check and put her on screen. A couple outdoor speakers. Do have some storage right here. One of these is propane. Yep, there's propane. 16.5 gallons. 6-gallon water heater. Back of the furnace. Back of your refrigerator. Some more storage with low point drains and TV hookups. We got the same tire right here. Looks, I think so, maybe not. That's a Cooper. Maybe they are. We'll double check on the other side too. That's an area to put a grill. If you want to get your propane connection right there and use a little gas grill, you can. Now, as you can see, there's dust inside the bins. We just took this thing in today, but it actually came in decently clean, so I wanted to shoot it really quick because I'm running out of time to shoot these videos. Did you see how big that storage was? It's a triple entryway, massive rear storage. It does have a little effect on the size of the bedroom inside because that is all part of the bedroom up there. But what do you expect when you get a storage that big? Does have a backup camera. Does have side vision cameras, which was an option. I think this is a 7-pin. Yep, 7-way right there. I don't see how much it can tow. It's probably 5,000 pounds, but we will double check. Now, of course, let's get up on that roof and see what that looks like. Well, this is a really good looking roof. I did not highlight the Winegard satellite system because I did not think it had one of those up here. We'll definitely get that on the options list. All right, back on solid ground. At the other side of this storage is your dump area. You got your city water connections, outdoor shower. Then below that, your actual dumps. Zero hose storage right next to the dump station. Fuel fill. Put the fuel capacity on screen for you. Low point drain. Cooper Discoveries. Good deal. I think they added an extra battery in here. As you can see how it's tied down and it's got wood holding it in. But that's always a plus. Less chance for you to break down. There's another one. So what do we got? 3 batteries plus a start. 30 amp power service. Cable hookups right there. More storage. And then a 4,000 watt generator. That is running, obviously. It's a gas gen set. So it'll run off the same tank as your engine. And we'll cut off at 25%. Quarter tank. Little nick right here on the side camera or side mirror. Does have side cameras. It's going to be a little bright. I'm sorry. But that's your Jayco decal up there is starting to go. Overall, the decals aren't bad. They actually look pretty good on the driver's side. A little bit of fading going on, but it's 12, 13 model years old already. I'd expect it to be worse. All right. Let's jump inside. Oh, one thing I want to mention, why, I don't know, but previous owner decided to put on manual steps. Maybe their step motor went out a couple times and they just got pissed. The only complaint I got with that is when you're inside, putting those back into place to drive. Also, when your awning's out, your door will hit that. So just be a little wary if you got your door open, you're trying to put the awning out, make sure it doesn't catch. Right when you walk into the left, power outlets, whole bunch of light controls, hydraulic leveling system with auto leveling, awning, disconnect, and then propane gas detector. Everything about this RV is pretty great, minus the furniture. Anywhere you see this ultra leather, expect it to be peeling. Unfortunately, that is pretty normal on these Jaycos, Thors, anything that's really not a Winnebago. You're gonna have peeling synthetic leather. So, we're gonna start up front. Standard Class C. Pretty much got a queen bed up here. I'll figure out the size and put it on screen. I gotta fix that light, but your light control is up there for both those lights. And there's a couple windows. I bet you're wondering why there's seat covers on here. Well, you got ultra leather, and you got some peeling ultra leather. Like I said, anywhere there's furniture, it's probably peeling. Does have GPS, which was an option. Does have an auxiliary start. 24/750.2. Pretty good feel. And there's your horn. All right, so your first slide, well, your only slide out, I should say, right here, all the way down, houses the dinette and your jackknife sofa sleeper. Lift up, pull out, got some storage under there too. Unfortunately, this is the worst of it. This is by far the worst piece of furniture with the upholstery. Your best bet to avoid this is to cover the upholstery right when you buy it, but who wants to do that? But even on the little cushions where they have that ultra leather, it is starting to peel. Cloth looks great, everything else does not. Do have some overhead storages. They're a little angled. Those two are connected, and this one is separate, which is a little interesting. Oh, what the heck is that for? We'll have to figure it out. Those are slide. When your slides in, you can put that in to keep it in place. Your kitchen is on the other side. Not bad. Not much counter space. Your command center is right here. 255.1 on the genset. You know, another option was for an inverter. I didn't see where it was, but we got an inverter controller here, so it must have a 1,000-watt inverter. Slide control, level testers. All right, the kitchen. The only thing it's missing is some counter space, but you do have a nice dual bay sink with an extension on the faucet. A little light in here, some good storage up above. Microwave connection, and down below, what is that, sponge? What a surprise. Area for a trash can on the left there. You got 3 drawers. There is actually an Atwood oven in here with some storage down below for pots and pans. As you can see, there's all those marks in there from pots and pans. 3 burner gas stove top. And then standard old microwave right above that. And some additional storage. All right, so my main complaint in the kitchen is going to have to do with counter space. No leaf over here. You can't really put one on with all the connections there. So what Jayco decided to do, so you got your entertainment center right here. That can't be a drawer. It's not. It's extra counter space. So a pull-out leaf, technically, I guess, still kind of nice. They think of something. If you're really a fan of chopping veggies and watching TV right in front of you, you can do it. And then you got a drawer right there. Look at this one. This drawer is massive. And you got 2 smaller ones. They're both, I mean, same. Oh, I'm sorry. Got water heater. We got some ducting. And then that last drawer. Jensen TV mounted right here. I don't think there's a way to get behind it to access any storage, so it is just kind of like that. You probably could remount it if you did want to use that behind there as storage. Norcold freezer and fridge, 3-way. And then some super tall people storage. And that's the kitchen. So we already looked at the couch. The dinette is next. It does have a couple pull-out drawers. And then check that out. They added a, obviously an outlet, but it's got the 2 USBs. This, yeah. Whoa, about to fall. Unhook that, push it down, remove the cushions, put them on top. Got yourself a little dinette sleeper. There is a mirror there. And then that's it, besides the bathroom and bedroom. So we are selling this bad boy for $39,995. It's got 24,734 in terms of miles, 31 feet, 9 inches overall. Fresh tank 39, black 32, gray 41. Your actual specs, some of them are right there. Your floor plan right there. And then the actual option list is right there. And then all the other standard features. All right, let's continue on. So making your way into the split bathroom, there is no door or anything, no accordion style door, but when you see one of those little doodads, we can grab the bathroom door, take that little plastic piece and ram her in there. There you go, gives you a little separation there. Not much, obviously it's still got a gap above, a small gap below, but some separation. Glass door shower, I think it's a 2x3 pan. Might be a little bit smaller. One piece fiberglass walls, skylight up top. Here's your shower head, decently tall in there. Here's the bedroom, but first, let's look at the bathroom. Plastic toilet right there, but look at all the leg room in front. What does that button do? Don't know. Couple medicine cabinets, plastic sink. Oh, there we go. I knew that was gonna open. On this side too. Ooh, fantastic fan in here also. And then a little drawer there, a little storage there. Not sure where you put the TP, but good counter space. More counter space in here than the kitchen. And then finally, the bedroom. Window there, overhead storage, wardrobe, and entertainment center. That's a 26-inch TV, 32 up front, and some extra storage. There is no underbed storage, but your bedroom is slightly affected because of that full pass-through storage. That's what I was talking about earlier. That is all storage under there. And then going over to the right side, you got to get a little skinny. Wheel wells in the way, other part of that storage. Long drawer right there, decent counter space, and then the overhead compartments. Another fantastic fan in here. I'll give you one idea about these compartment sizes. Kind of get an idea. It goes all the way across. Looks like they added that metal piece to add even more. This is the only wardrobe inside the coach. Get used to folding your clothes. And then the entertainment center does also have some storage. It's a corner storage, but still storage. Same concept down below. That's the access point to get to the water line for the shower. And they did make it so you can use this as storage behind. Very nice. Oh, what a weird place to put furnace control. All right, there you guys go. Now last but not least, we got to get this slide in and see what that looks like, and we can do that pretty easily. Let's head on over to the command center. You'll see we got one slide button. Slide in, slide out. We'll click in on this, push this in. We'll keep it live with you guys. Show you what the accessibility looks like while you're traveling. So when the slide comes in, you lose literally nothing except width space. You can still get to the couch, the dinette. You can even make the bed on either side. You can watch TV, get to the fridge, get to the cab, full kitchen, even all the drawers. Bathroom has zero effect to it because there is no slide in here. Same concept with the bedroom. No effect, always use this. So this is a great coach. If you're one of those people that travels a lot and has to randomly pull over and take a nap at a rest stop, this thing would probably be perfect for you. So let me go shut all the compartments, get the awning in. We'll take a peek what it looks like from outside. All right, we got everything shut. Let's give it a quick peek. It's gonna be a little bright with the sun, but here is the passenger side with all the compartments shut and that awning in. I'll show you the driver's side, where the big change happens with the slide out. So like I said, we're selling this for $39,995. If you have any questions on it, my name's Taylor Quayle. I'll put all my contact info on the screen. You are welcome to reach out with any questions. I can also send you a Carfax on this unit if you want. Just shoot me a text or shoot me an email and let me know how I can help. Hope you guys enjoyed this video walkthrough. Let me know what I can do to improve, and I hope you guys have a great day.